What is up, guys? This weekend we are at Blewett Pass, camping with J Todd in his brand new truck. Yeah, I don't only make videos about the Grand Canyon anymore. That's officially over. You want to go check out that series? I'll link it below. But this weekend we are in Cle Elum. We're gonna be camping on Blewett Pass, just kind of getting out of the city. Yesterday was my birthday. We're all a little bit worse for wear today, but everything is good. So let's see what we see this weekend. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Well, first off, we had to stop at McDonald's, of course, and grab some food before we go into the mountains. We're all a little hungover for my birthday last night, so great way to start the trip.
Still at 1:30.
Still at 1:30 in the afternoon. We had a little bit of a late start. That's okay though.
I was just jamming out to the music, feeling myself, and then I look up and I make awkward eye contact with the girl at the window.
So we're borrowing Ben's parents' tent, and we have no idea how big it is. And it's gonna be freaking massive.
I think I found the footprint. No. Does he even have a footprint? No. Alright. So somebody want to help me spread this thing out?
Dude, this is a big boy. Ben, what do you have to say about this tent?
Intuition can't get you through this thing. You needed some direction. It's like pentagonal. It's made up of a bunch of trapezoids.
It's so freaking weird. This tent, my gosh, is wild.
Alright. Does anyone want a hazy down?
Walking Man Brewery,
this
out of the Columbia River Gorge, Stevenson, Washington. This one is the 6 Feet Away Hazy Pale Ale. Happy birthday.
I don't think I've ever done
We were just kind of like, yeah, we'll go. Where? Not really sure.
We'll figure it out. Like, it's not usually what happens when you...
So the campsite that we're at is just off of Highway 97 on Blewett Pass. You just go up a Forest Service road towards Liberty Township, I think it's called, and then you just keep on going up, and then you find a little outcropping that has a nice view. It's on iOverlander. It's called like Wild something or another, top of a mountain, and make some tacos later. And yeah, it's been a good day of driving around, doing not a whole lot.
It was summer. We were skipping rocks down by the river. My hot red heart was so on fire when I heard you laugh on the drive home. You let your hair blow out the window, closed your eyes and finally let go. Said it's a shame that nothing lasts. Oh, I wish it could be this simple forever.
Dinner was pretty spectacular. We are now sitting around the campfire. I climbed up to this little rock that has a little outcropping to this view behind me, and it's pretty freaking sweet. But tomorrow I think our plan is to go to Leavenworth. Ben's never been to Leavenworth before, so we're gonna go check it out, let him see it. And tonight we're just gonna sit around the campfire and have a couple drinks and hopefully don't freeze to death tonight. It's supposed to get down to 32 degrees tonight, so wish us luck.
Closed your eyes and finally let go. Said it's a shame that I've died.
Great. Well, last night sucked. My freaking sleeping pad decided to get a hole in it, and in the last, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. So I slept on the freaking rocks and ground for a good probably 3 hours last night. No, it's not. It's horrible. But I think it's coffee time.
Just made a little bit of coffee. Now we are making some breakfast. We're having eggs, hash browns, and sausage. Pretty much the 3 things you just need in the morning.
Safely disconnected.
All the leaves had started burning.
I was like, I have nothing to do with that.
They were bracing for the fall. We both falling as we packed up different boxes, headed in different directions.
These are almost done.
That we'd always chase the sun. One way on, our hearts are beating. One way on, gonna chase the feeling. No sense in
Sexy
looking
truck, ain't it?
right now is all that matters. One way on, we'll be chasing down the sun. We'll be chasing down the sun. We'll be chasing down the sun. Chasing down the sun.
So apparently Leavenworth is way too busy right now. We couldn't find a parking spot. So now we're stopping at a gas station and we're gonna head back over to the west side. And then we're probably gonna just head back over. So I guess if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you on the next one.